Hello and welcome to the Drought Aware app. The Drought Aware app shows areas of drought across the United States from the year 2000 to present day. To use the app, the best thing to do is to begin with learning about what the app does and what data is part of the app. And we can do that by coming to this little eye tool up here where it tells us a little bit about the app, telling us that it looks at drought over different time periods. And it also allows you to look at categories that drought may impact, such as population, water, and agriculture. It provides drought definitions so that you know what each category means. And then it also provides you the data sources for the app. So it's a really good place to start to learn about how to use the app and what's included in the app. So let's get started in terms of using this. You can look at conditions in one of two ways. You can use this area over here where you can set the date, or you can just go along this slider and select a date that you might be interested in. So I'm going to click here, and the map will change to that particular time that I selected, which is about September of 2022. Now we can see the areas of severe drought all the way down to no drought. And if we come over here and just hover over these different areas on this dial, we can see the areas of extreme drought, exceptional drought, severe drought, moderate drought, and abnormally dry. So a really easy way to show what conditions were like at one point in time. If you want to reset the map, you can do that by clicking on this, and it resets it to the current week. Let's click on someplace on the map where we see that a drought is prevalent. I'm going to come over here to the Indianapolis area and click on that. And you can see once I click on a particular location on the map, it will show me the population data for that particular area. It will tell us how many people are in each of the live in each of the drought categories. It will tell us how many housing units are in each, and then single family versus single family homes is shown over here. We also get a look at the vulnerable populations within that particular area and the economic impact of that. We can continue our exploration by going from the county to the state. Basically just aggregates the data up to a bigger scale so that we can look at the same information at the state level. We can also look at water conditions, and we can see that this will give us the different mean flow of various rivers in the area. It'll look at reservoir resources and so on. And then finally, if we switch to agriculture, it will tell us the economic impact by the various crops. Essentially, this is telling us how many acres are in drought here. Over here, it's telling us the agricultural labor, and then this is the ag drought exposure and the economic impact of the exposure to droughts. So that's a quick review of the Drought Aware app. If you have any lesson ideas, please share them with the group.